Hello and welcome to our channel NutureMite, where we provide informative videos regarding health and lifestyle. Please like, share and subscribe the channel and click on the bell icon for important notification and videos.
Sex education, when and how to start it at home. This one is the complete timeline guide for parents on how to provide sex education to the kids. 13-year-old Rahul asked his dad what sex was. His dad yelled at him and shut him up in response. The same Rahul 5 years later is at brothel, in search of sex, submitting to peer pressure. 14-year-old Nisha asked her mother what a condom was. She was slapped hard in response. 3 years later, Nisha becomes a pregnant adolescent and finally knows what a condom is. 13-year-old Ashraf saw a sanitary pad advertisement on TV and inquired to his mom. His mother awkwardly told him that it's a packet of biscuits and hurriedly changed the channel. Next day at school, he ridiculed a girl for staining her skirt. This is to all the parents. Do not vaporize out of awkwardness when a child utters the S word, because sex education might be awkward, but it is not harmful. Now relax, as you have nothing to worry about. We will break it down to you on how to go about sex educating your child. For children who are 0 to 2 years of age, start talking about the body parts and the boundaries. At this age, it is not really sex education, but start teaching them the difference between male and the female genitalia. You can start the conversation while bathing them or while getting them dressed. Name the body parts to them, the penis and the vulva. Communicate to them that it is okay to touch all the parts of their body. Start talking about the function of our body parts, about how pee comes out through your penis or the vulva, poo comes out through your bottom or an anus. If they like being naked all the time, start introducing boundaries about nudity, that there is a time and a place to be naked. For the children who are 2 to 6 years of age, start teaching them the meaning of consent. 2 to 6 years of age is the age where you could gradually start teaching them about consent, boundaries, and inappropriate touch. Teach them about seeking permission before coming close to someone or touching them. Teach them about the importance of the words yes and no as options. You can go about it by simply seeking permission before hugging them or kissing them, and make them reply with a yes or a no. Teach them various helpful affirmative words about compliances like yes, okay, sure, fine, etc. Explain to them that they have the right to deny coming close to someone. Teach them about the safe words like stop. Let them know that if they said stop and the other person didn't respect this, they would have to keep that person away. This would lead to early education regarding sexual assault, violence, and rape as well. At this age, you can also start using gender-neutral words, as it's time to start the sexuality talk. For children who are 6 to 8 years of age, start talking to them about sexual orientation. Pick up some unconventional stories where 2 kings fall in love with each other or 2 queens fall in love with each other. Tell them about stories where a girl with the female body parts felt like a guy from inside and how she went on transition into a guy. Tell them about a distant aunt who did not want to get married and have kids. Normalize sexualities, sexual orientation, and different relationship for them from the very beginning. Take it to step by step and tell them through stories. If they inquire more, tell them more, but do not be ashamed or embarrassed. 6 to 8 years of age is also an age where children starts asking about where do babies come from, for which you can reply by saying a woman's body. You could go on explaining to them about the uterus if they inquire about the location. If they inquire further as to how the baby came there, you could tell them about the sexual intercourse and fertilization. As I said before, do not be embarrassed. Please open up to them. For children who are 9 to 11 years of age, start talking to them about masturbation. A lot of the parents think that it's a sign that the kid has been exposed to sexual content or even assaulted. But it's really important to remember that it's a solacing, soothing, and feeling good sensation. Self-exploration is a great thing. One is allowed to touch and explore his or her own body. But then, tell them about how it's a private thing which they should indulge only when they are in bed or while bathing and not over sleepovers. Also, it is not compulsory or necessary that they should indulge in masturbation by the end of 8 years. Some might do it later, some might never do it. But make sure that your tone is empathetic towards it and not shameful. Stop judging them. Around this age, children might have started watching porn too. You make sure they know it's not real. They're not watching real life. They're watching actors who are performing for a director in order to present a make-believe creation to an audience. The idea that you have to impart is that what porn depicts is not the reality of sex. You could casually pick up a conversation and it wouldn't be awkward because you must be done with basic sex education. Once the children reach the age of adolescence, talk to them about safe sex and sexism. Once they reach adolescence, have a chat with them regarding safe sex, STIs, and prevention, peer pressure to have sex, birth control, and date rape. Talk to them about condoms, about how latex and polyurethane condoms prevent transmission. Talk to them about sexism prevailing in our society. Educate them about offensive and objectifying language. Raising kids is no cakewalk, as we all know, but if we are doing it, let's do it the best way possible. Make it interactive, as bringing up a child is a two-way road. Don't shy away when it comes to taboo topics. Practice it with other parents, form a community, and ask for opinions if it helps. Let's bring a generation of sex-positive kids who can, later on, go on to boast about their cool parents. Cheers!
Thank you. Please like, share and subscribe to the channel. Click on the bell icon for important notifications and videos.